Hi, welcome back. This is lesson 2 of Learn Ekegusii with Boyani, and today we are going to do letter C and letter D. C in Ekegusii, the sound is like chi, chi. It's as if you are adding an H at the front of it. So, an example of the word that starts with chi is Chianga. Chianga. Say with me. Chianga, meaning clothes. Chianga. Another word, we have a favorite vegetable of the Ekegusii people called chinsaga. Chinsaga. This is the spider plant vegetable. Very, very healthy, full of iron, and very yummy. Chinsaga. Say with me. Chinsaga. Yes. So, chi is chinsaga. Sing with me. Chi is for chinsaga. Chinsaga. Chi is for chinsaga. Chinsaga. Okay? Alright. Do you know other words that start with letter C in Ekegusii? Kindly put them in the comment section. Alright, now let's go to letter D. Letter D, most of the time, doesn't stand on its own. When you speak it, it sounds as if there's an N before it. And so, it sounds like nda, nda. For example, words like ndorere, ndorere. You can ask somebody, check for me if what time it is. Ndorere chinsa, ndorere, check for me. Ndorere. Somebody could be sick and they need help to eat, or maybe a baby is asking for the mother to feed them. And so they will say, ndageri, ndageri, feed me, ndageri. So those are the words that use D in the sound in the Ekegusii language. So let's sing together with me, right? Mama ndageri, mama ndageri. Have you mastered that? You got that right, yeah? All right, that's to say feed me. So C is for chinsaga, chinsaga. D is for ndageri, ndageri. D is for ndageri, ndageri. Good job. Thank you so much for following me, guys. Thank you for listening to me. And please keep following for more lessons in Ekegusii. Do you know words that in Ekegusii that are using the letters C and D? Kindly put them in the comments. Thank you. Follow for more.